Today we are going to explore the scientific topic of matter. Specifically, we are going to look at liquids. The liquid state of matter is an intermediate phase between solid and gas. Liquids have a definite volume but not a defined shape. All substances are made of tiny particles called molecules. Liquid particles are not in a fixed position and have room to slide past each other. Here are the liquids we will be looking at today. First, we will look at water, then at honey. These two liquids have very different viscosities. Viscosity can be defined as how easily particles in a fluid are able to pass each other. To look at the viscosity of both water and honey, we can pour the liquids and time how long they take to flow to a certain point. The molecules in a liquid have a force that keeps them around other molecules of the same type. When we pour the liquids, the molecules flow past each other, affecting the movement of the liquid. Here we can see that the water only took 43 milliseconds due to the forces being weak, which allow the particles to slide past each other, giving water a low viscosity and high flow rate. The honey took a lot longer with a time of 1 minute 18 seconds and 32 milliseconds, making it a more viscous liquid. Now we can look at how fast warm honey travels compared to honey of a normal temperature. Here we can see that viscosity can be affected by temperature. When we heat a liquid like honey, the molecules move further apart, making it flow quicker. As we can see here, the warm honey has a much faster flow rate than the normal temperature honey. The warm honey had a time of 8 seconds and 35 milliseconds, where the normal honey had a longer time of 1 minute, 19 seconds and 90 milliseconds. Through this experiment, we can see that honey when heated flows faster due to the liquid's viscosity changing. The honey's molecules increase their energy, making the molecules spread apart further due to the forces holding them together becoming weaker. The honey's viscosity decreases and the rate it flows at increases. To summarise, viscosity is how thick or thin a liquid is, and it can be affected by temperature. Highly viscous liquids like honey take much longer to flow than less viscous liquids like water, which flow at a much faster rate.